map 0 is going to be stock. Map 1 would be up 2 to 3 pounds of boost, I think. And map 3 should be up, I think you said 4 to 5 pounds of boost. And then anything above that, you're going to need more ethanol. So that's why I'll need the
You need like 93 octane or something?
Well, 93 is what they're recommending for map 3, and 91's for map 2.
So just use map 2 basically?
We're going to use map 3 too. It'll be fine, he said. And then
It just what, pulls timing or something? The ECU knows how to pull timing, so it'll just do that?
well, I think it just ups the boost, and so it does everything automatically.
Well, yeah, it can't. If the map 3 is tuned for 93 octane,
But
then it'll
anything
just pull
above
timing.
map 3, you'll need like higher octane.
All right, we just got double-sided sticky tape from Ace Hardware.
We're going to mount that. We're going to mount this little flopper too. Make her permanent.
Do you ever use the thing? It's wireless charging, isn't it?
No, this is base model.
Oh.
Ain't that fancy.
Well, it would be.
Would be.
These tires are actually not that bad. Do you notice like decreased gas mileage or anything?
I think I'm at 14. Yeah, right at 14.
Average?
And that's pretty revenant too, but yeah. I do a couple pulls.
Oh.
We're going to Mexico.
There's the border crossing.
Right there. That's definitely an orchard in Mexico.
Yeah, we just crossed. Right before I flipped over, we crossed the border. Oh, shaky as hell. I mean, even with these big old meat logs, it's pretty quick.
It's alright. Should be even faster.
Here you go.
Oh, I don't do it. Alright. We got the before video. Okay. This is why you're a terrible YouTuber.
See, this is why
you're bad.
I'm the only host.
Okay, McLean, you can be the host.
So we're putting boosted tunes on Brock's Tundra. He's got a pedal...
Pedal Commander.
No, the pedal tuner. And the JB4. Burger Motorsports. We're gonna install it and then we'll go for a rip after.
We already got the befores.
Tires.
I actually did a burnout yesterday.
Yeah, it's pretty sick.
A lot of smoke.
You saw it?
His like blue smoke coming out the wheels.
All right, he's got a cable in his hand, and I got a cheese platter.
You are terrible. Tuner.
Is that the pedal or is that the JB4?
Pedal.
If
Does
we're
it look-
gonna,
does this
hey,
look
if
like
we're gonna
a
make a
JB4?
video about this, you gotta know what it's called.
Hey
All
guys.
right, what are you touching?
So this is the tap wire. Let me get you some light. So this end plugs into the original
Where'd
wiring.
you pull that from? Where'd you pull that wire?
Comes off of this here, off of the top here,
Got it.
right there.
Pull up.
Comes off of this, and then you plug this into the jumper harness, and then this other end goes into the pedal. So it's just a little jumper harness that goes in between them.
I'll hop in there after you with your phone light.
Command Pro, we need help. We need a tuner.
We need
I
help.
know it's not our tuner trucks.
Okay, where are you putting that?
Just gonna slap this right here.
On the edge of the center console. And then you're gonna zip tie the wiring, the rest of it?
Are you videoing it?
Yes. I'm videoing his armpit pretty much.
Thanks.
Yeah, just time lapse it with music. We don't have to have our...
I'll speed up certain sections. When they're...
Also,
Here's what everyone's here for, the JB4.
can you not have food in your mouth?
Everyone's
God,
here
you
for the
are
JB4.
So bad. What happened to you?
I
Terrible.
was dropped.
Terrible.
I was dropped as a child.
Terrible. No, you were Terrible. No,
All right, he's putting that on the top of the fuse box cover with double-sided sticky tape. So here's where the JB4 is connected, right in front of your two intakes. Get a good look at that because I don't know what any of these are. All right, after countless times of trying to shove the plugs together, we found out this is from the previous owner's truck. He left this inside the plug. I don't know. I don't think he left it on purpose, but it was stuck in there, and so we were trying to jam it in there, but it wouldn't go in.
Yeah, he's about to take the L when he decides to do it again.
He sold the truck. He sold the truck to somebody else, so whoever owns it Somebody else got shizzed on
I'll
it.
figure it out.
Poor guy.
That's the ethanol content sensor.
The L28 ET
This is the
for that.
Bluetooth adapter.
It was good.
Runs from there
That's probably the best
to,
one I ran, though.
to there. Forks at the intercooler. The 4 pins go back. You can watch plenty of other videos on that. They just don't show which pin goes where. And then there are other 2. Right there. And we're not going to show what pin goes where either.
Why is this informative if you're not going to show how it goes?
If you talk a lot, it sounds informative. But if you don't say much while you're talking. People are going to be so sick of this video after 2 minutes. Does that go... Okay, so he ran this behind the firewall.
$300 one we got from Salina.
Not behind the firewall, in front of the firewall, but like behind the battery,
Were you part of that?
straight across. And then where'd you push it through at? Is there a grommet?
Yeah, the grommet.
Maybe I've seen it.
You gotta tell him about the whole story when we had it.
And then this grommet, he fed it through there, just right above the brake pedal to the left. Just fed it through there, and they plugged it in right here in the OBD2 port, I think. All right, that should be the install.
It's so much faster already. It's idling.
It's idling faster.
Why just turn off?
It lost Bluetooth connection. You probably need Wi-Fi.
That'd be funny. Is it fast?
It's so fast.
That's more. It kind of makes a different noise at the blow-up house.
Yeah,
I don't
it's not
think
as
so.
loud.
It did.
It did.
No, it went.
It went. Yeah, it was like
Listen,
a blow
listen,
up. Or like a blow up.
It sounds the same to me.
No, it did different before.
It went like,
Broxley, no.
Listen. It's the exact same.
It like double.
Does it feel faster?
I don't know. You can't tell. You have to tell me.
I don't know.
Bro, we don't daily this bad.
I don't either. I drive this thing once in a
Was that full throttle?
Full throttle?
No.
Okay, well
Then full throttle it.
yeah.
You can't see
Leave
the
me alone.
That's the only thing that screaming.
We got
people love the 240.
Those are
got
so ugly.
5
Ugliest truck
reports.
ever made.
I know. I'm like,
Also,
just
they got
bought
like
one.
7 recalls for being.
Exactly the same color and everything.
Dude, they're ugly.
They literally got.
It's pretty fast though.
Shut up.
literally
it
got
is.
7 recalls for the auto.
Yeah.
You know what?
I mean, it's only electric.
It just pins you to the seat. That's
It
it.
doesn't.
Okay, literally, you sound like Joe Biden.
It does.
You sound like Joe Biden.
What do you want? If Joe Biden's
Sleepy Joe driving around in the classic Lightning looking at. It's got a little pep in its step.
I think it's.
I think.
That was the kid. Wasn't that the kid who tried to sell us that
Yes,
dirt bike and it grenaded? What?
Yeah.
You gave him
6. Stock is 6
6 what?
pounds. Oh, when you put this thing at stock and put map 0, there's such a difference.
4.
Is that stock?
Yeah.
Okay, now put it.
Yeah.
Put it in.
does feel
Put it in map 2 and let's see. Ooh, what is that?
180 SX.
Yeah, there is quite a difference.
It feels pretty good.
Yeah, it's not like
It's
pee
not
your.
like crazy diesel.
It's
but
not
it
like
does-
pee your
it does feel
pants,
pretty
but it
good.
is pretty good. What's the boost difference on that gauge? What does this say with the?
So stock is 6 and this is 12.
Oh, so it doubles it.
That was the pounds on this map. Yeah.
Huh.
Nice.
Buy one.
That was it. We might get higher octane and do a better tune when I have an ethanol reader kit.
And money.
Couple weeks. Thanks for watching.